Welcome back MH Car Review, and oh my, if you thought you had seen everything on four wheels, buckle up, because today we are standing in front of something that genuinely stopped me in my tracks the moment I laid eyes on it. This is the 2026 Titan HyperLux luxury motorhome, and I am going to be completely honest with you, nothing I have reviewed on this channel has prepared me for this machine. This is not just a motorhome. This is a rolling penthouse. A statement. A full-blown revolution on the highway. So let us get into it. Starting with the exterior, and I mean, where do you even begin? The Titan HyperLux arrives in a blacked-out matte carbon finish that absorbs light rather than reflects it, giving the entire body this deep, almost cinematic presence you feel before you even fully see it. The silhouette is unlike anything else on the road. It is massive, yes, but it is sculpted. The roofline curves in this dramatic aerodynamic arc, almost like the body of a stealth aircraft rather than a motorhome, and that upper observation deck sitting at the crown of the vehicle is fully glazed with panoramic glass that wraps around the entire top section. You can literally stand up there and watch the world go by at highway speed. Extraordinary. Now what really makes the exterior unforgettable is the lighting. Titan has wrapped the entire body in a signature tricolor neon trim system. We are talking bold yellow, electric pink, and icy blue LED strips that trace every body line, every contour, every geometric panel edge. At night, this vehicle does not just drive down the road, it performs. The front fascia carries twin turquoise DRL eyes flanking a wide chrome grille with a bold diamond Titan emblem centered perfectly. The wheel arches sit over a set of 12 dual gold finish alloy wheels, and that wide body stand stretches the full length of this coach, giving it a planted, powerful road presence that you absolutely cannot ignore. This thing turns every head, full stop. Moving inside, and this is where the Titan HyperLux truly separates itself from everything else in the luxury motorhome segment. The moment those hydraulic entry doors fold open, you step into what can only be described as a five-star hotel suite in motion. The main living area is finished in hand-stitched tobacco leather and brushed platinum trim, with LED ambient lighting running the full perimeter of the ceiling in customizable color zones. The seating configuration features 4 fully reclining captain chairs, each with its own massage function, built-in heating and cooling, and personal connectivity panel. The central lounge converts into a boardroom-style table at the press of a button. This thing was clearly designed for executives, entertainers, and honestly anyone who refuses to compromise on comfort while traveling. The kitchen module is fully integrated with commercial-grade appliances, an induction cooktop, a barista-quality espresso station, a wine-cooled refrigeration unit, and cabinetry finished in black lacquer with touch 2-pen mechanisms. Moving further into the coach, the master bedroom suite at the rear is centered around a California king-sized floating bed with memory foam and temperature-controlled bedding. The ensuite bathroom features a rain shower, a freestanding soaking tub in polished white stone, and dual vanity mirrors with integrated display screens. And yes, the toilet is smart. Of course it is. The technology stack on this motorhome is genuinely next level. Titan has equipped the HyperLux with a 75-inch 8K OLED display in the main lounge, a Dolby Atmos surround system with 15 discrete speaker zones, and a proprietary Titan Connect hub that syncs your climate, lighting, entertainment, and security systems all from a central touchscreen or by voice command. There are 8 external 4K cameras providing a full 360-degree live monitoring system, and the satellite internet array on the roof delivers gigabit speed connectivity whether you are parked in the Nevada desert or rolling through the Swiss Alps. On performance, the 2026 Titan HyperLux is powered by a twin-turbocharged 16-liter diesel engine producing an extraordinary 1,100 horsepower and over 4,000 Nm of torque, mated to a 14-speed intelligent automatic transmission. For a vehicle of this scale and mass, the way it moves is genuinely impressive. It rides on an electronically controlled air suspension system with active body stabilization that virtually eliminates road vibration inside the cabin. Titan also offers a plug-in hybrid drivetrain as an optional upgrade, featuring a 200 kWh battery pack that allows roughly 80 kilometers of fully silent, zero-emission electric travel, which is perfect for entering restricted urban zones or simply enjoying the silence. The braking system is carbon ceramic across all axles, and the steering hydraulically assisted with variable ratio gives the driver surprising precision for a vehicle this long. Titan pairs all of this with an advanced autonomous highway pilot suite featuring adaptive cruise, lane centering, collision avoidance, and automatic emergency braking. Now, the price, and yes, this is where things get serious. The 2026 Titan HyperLux starts at $4.2 million for the base configuration. The full flagship spec with the hybrid drivetrain, extended master suite, and rooftop entertainment terrace will take you to just over $6.5 million. Custom commissions with bespoke interiors are available directly through Titan's luxury division with no published ceiling. Is it worth it? If you are asking that question, you already know the answer. This is not transportation. This is a lifestyle. And the Titan HyperLux just redefined what that lifestyle looks like. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, subscribe to MH Car Review, and I will see you in the next one.